buntag di ito. Sakto ra gid ito, may purpose.
2024 licensure examination for professional teachers, top-notchers. The professors and deans in the teacher education institutions and school administrators of Region 7.
Parang gusto rin ninyo, kayo yung na jowa. Pwede yung bana nyo, di ba? Asawa nyo, or asawa o bana. Thank you, please sit down. Ladies and thank you so much. Your rewards and privileges through faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will obey the faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will obey the laws.
That I will obey the laws.
Legal orders and decrees.
Legal orders and decrees.
Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
Of the Republic of the Philippines.
Of the Republic of the Philippines.
That I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily.
And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily.
Without mental reservation.
Without mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear.
I further solemnly swear.
That at all times and places.
That at all times and places.
I will adhere closely.
I will adhere closely.
The ethical standards.
The ethical standards.
And professional roles of teachers in the Philippines.
And professional roles of teachers in the Philippines.
And in the world.
And in the world.
And that I will faithfully discharge.
And I will faithfully discharge.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
The duties and obligations.
The duties and obligations. Incumbent.
Upon a legally authorized.
Upon a legally authorized.
Professional teacher.
Professional teacher.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Board for Professional Teachers, Member, Honorable Paranuman R. Hiron. The professors and deans of the teacher education institutions and school administrators of Region 7. Take a good picture during the ceremony, as this is one of the requirements that is going to be attached to the oath form upon making a request for your PRC ID.
Diyan ay may susulod sa inside the campus of USGR Basak.